welcome to Tamo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our 10th one. If cosecant theta plus cotangent theta will be equal to k, then prove that cos theta will be equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So first one, what they are given, write it that one. So what they are given, cosecant theta plus cot theta will be equal to k. So let's take this one as it is and extend this in the format of normal one. That is, cosecant will be, you can write in the format of sine theta, plus cot will be cos theta by sine theta. That will be equal to k. So let's take this is LCM. So what we will get it here, sine theta. So sine theta for this 1 plus cos theta, that will be equal to k. Then what you can write here? So 1 plus cos theta by sine theta equal to k. So you can say one thing here. Let's take square on both sides. Then what you can write it here is 1 plus cos theta by sine theta whole square, that will be equal to k square. So here what you can take it, this one extended both sides. So let's going to take 1 plus cos theta whole square, right, in the different one. So a by b, what is that? A square by b square will be equal to a by b whole square. So let's going to write this one 1 plus cos theta whole square by sine square theta. That will be equal to k. Sorry, it is k square. So let's going to extend this 1 plus cos theta whole square. What you can write? So 1 plus cos theta whole square will be, let's write 1 plus cos theta whole square. Keep like that only. Sine square theta you can write in the format. So since what you can take it here is sine square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. Then sine square theta will be equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta from trigonometric identities. So what is this here? That implies here sine square theta you can write 1 minus cos square theta, that will be equal to k square. So let's move on to this and extend. So you can write it this one as a square minus b square. So write that one here, a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. So that is the formula. So let's write it here. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that will be equal to k square. So 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, here it will going to cancel some quantities. So what values will going to cancel? So 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta will going to cancel. Then what values we will get it here? So 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta will be equal to k square. So this one 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to k square. Let's write it this one. So as it is, we are going to write this one as, so let's going to take, as we know, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta will be equal to k square. Then this implies 1 plus cos theta will be equal to k square into 1 minus cos theta. Let's going to multiply that one. 1 plus cos theta will be equal to k square into k square cos theta. So this one shift to this side. Then 1 will be shift to the right side. So what value we will get it? So cos theta plus k square cos theta, that will be equal to k square minus 1. Then let's going to take common of cos theta here. Then 1 plus k square, that will be equal to k square minus 1. So cos theta will be equal to k square minus 1 by 1 plus k square. You can write like this also, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So this is RHS. Hence we are proved. Next we will see the next method. Now we will see the next method for this same question. So that is cosecant theta plus cot theta will be equal to k. Let's going to write whatever the given. So cosecant theta plus cot theta will be equal to k. So as we know from trigonometric identities, what is that? So we know that minus cot square theta will be equal to 1. So from trigonometric identities, we know that this is the formula. Let's going to divide in the format of a plus b into a minus b. So what is that? A square minus b square. So let's write it here. So cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta. that will be equal to 1. So let's take it this one. Cosecant theta plus cot theta, they are given that k. So that means cosecant theta minus cot theta will equal to 1. So what is this? Cosecant theta minus cot theta will be equal to 1 by k. So 1 by k. Let's going to take this one as equation 1. Then what is another one? Let's going to take, this is equation, this is also expression. Then what is that? Let's take, this is equation 2. So what is that here is, let's going to take write this one. So as they are given, cosecant theta plus cot theta will be equal to k. Let's take, this is equation 2. What you can do here, equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, let's going to add and subtract 1 and 2. So what is that? Let's write it this one as add and subtract. What you can say, add and subtract equations 1 and 2. We will get you some expressions. So let's going to add this. What is that? Cosecant theta minus cot theta plus cosecant theta plus cot theta will be equal to 1 by k plus k. This one, let's take it LCM here, then k, then 1 plus k square. How we will get it here is, here 1 is there, for that if you multiply, in order to get k, we need to multiply with the k in the numerator. So let's going to cancel, is there any cancellations? So cot theta will going to cancel. Then what values we will get it? So 2 cosecant theta will be equal to 1 plus k square by k. So 2 cosecant theta 1 plus k square by k. Let's going to take equation, this is equation 3. Then what is another one? So we done subtraction here. So addition, then we are going to do subtraction there. So cosecant theta minus cot theta. So let's going to subtract these values. So if you subtract here, what values we will get? The values will be cosecant theta. So what is that expression? Cosecant theta minus cot theta minus of cosecant theta. So here plus we will get it. So plus cot theta will be equal to 1 by k minus k. So this is the values we will get it. So 1 by k minus k, or if you type subtract, or you can take anything like this. So let's going to take these expressions. So we already know this one, cosecant theta, that is minus cot theta minus of this one we are expressed, and we need to show this one. So write this one. So cosecant theta minus cot theta minus of cosecant theta minus into minus, that is cot theta. So what value we will get? So let's going to take LCM. This one will be 1 minus k square. So if you take LCM, in order to get this one 1 k, for that we need to multiply numerator with the k. So here let's going to cancel. So cosecant theta plus cosecant theta. Then what is this? Minus cot theta minus cot theta. That will be equal to 1 minus k square by k. So let's going to take minus 2 cot theta. That will be equal to 1 minus k square by k. Let's take common of this one. Let's shift this minus. Let's going to multiply both sides on minus. So for that, minus of minus 2 cot theta will be equal to minus of 1 minus k square by k. So this will be equal to minus into minus 2 cot theta. That will be equal to minus 1 plus k square by k. So this is the value we will get it. So this is the value, minus 1 into 1, that will be k square minus 1 by k. This expression, let's take, this is expression 4. So what we need to do? Divide 3 by 3 and 4, or you can take this one as, so equation 4 by equation 3. So equation 4 is nothing but what? The equation is 2 cot theta. So what is that? 2 cot theta by 2, what is that? Cosecant theta. So equation 3 is what? 2 cosecant theta. So 2 cot theta, as we know, what we got it here is k square minus 1 by k whole divided by k square plus 1 by k. So here k will going to cancel. Here k will going to cancel. Then what, here 2 will going to cancel. Then what answer we will get? The answer will be, so what is that? Cot theta by cosecant theta will be equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So as we know, this one you can write cot theta as in the format of what you can write it here is. So let's going to write what is the format. So cot theta will be, you can write in the format of like cot theta will be equal to, that is cos theta by sin theta. So that is the sense. Then cosecant theta will be equal to 1 by sin theta. So these are the ratios. So this one write like this. So cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 by sin theta, that will be equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. K square plus 1. So this one reciprocal it. Then what we will get it here is, so reciprocal means cos theta by sin theta into sin theta by 1. So if you reciprocal, this one will be going to decrease. So k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So this one, what is that? So here it will going to cancel sin theta, sin theta. Then what formula we will get it here? The cos theta will be equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So this is our answer, hence we are shown. So like this we have to find it. Please try to watch our remaining videos in all our chapters from 6th to 10th class. Try to share with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.